Hi, my name is Dango, and today I'm going to be showing you the fidget machine I made. So let's just put this right here. Okay, good. So, this is my fidget machine I made. So, I'm just going to give you an example, and then I'm going to show you how everything works. So, let's start off with the cash. Let's say you put in the cash. Okay, perfect. Okay, now you're going to pull this down right here, and then you got your fidget, right? So now I'm going to turn it over and show you how it works. So, basically, that you have it like this, right? So, let's say you put this in the cash, right? So then the person puts the cash in right here. So then it goes down here, right? And then once they push this, there's an elastic band right here. So then it tilts down over here. So look. And then it goes down the ramp and then on to the chair or whatever you're playing it on it with. And basically that's it, my fidget machine. And I hope you like it. Bye!